Imagine waking up to $10,000 in your account, and the best part, you didn't teach a single class. What if I told you that you could launch your own AI-powered school in just a few minutes? No coding, no teaching experience, and no tech headaches. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start your AI-powered school, automate everything, and turn it into a profitable business. And if you stick around till the end, I'll reveal a secret strategy to scale your earnings even faster. Education is changing fast. AI is now teaching languages, coding, and even complex subjects better than human teachers. In fact, the e-learning industry is expected to hit 500 billion in the next few years. This is your chance to get ahead of the trend. Instead of watching AI take over, why not own an AI-powered school and get paid? Step 1. Sign up and choose your niche. First, go to AI Live School Builder and create your account. Once you're in, the first step is choosing your niche. This is where you decide what kind of school you want to run. For example, if you want to teach coding, you can create an AI school where students learn programming with an AI tutor. Step 2, set up your AI school in minutes. Now, let's create your school. Click on Create New School and enter your school name. This could be something like AI Coding Academy or Smart AI Business School. Next, select your branding, upload your logo, set your colors, and add a welcome message. This makes your AI school look professional from day one. Step 3, add AI teachers and courses, no teaching required. This is where AI does all the work for you. Instead of hiring human teachers, you can add AI tutors that automatically teach and answer student questions. Let's say you want an AI tutor for Python programming. Just select AI Python tutor, set the difficulty level, and customize the lessons. And if you want to sell pre-recorded courses, you can upload videos, PDFs, and even quizzes all built into the platform. Step 4, set up payment and monetization. Now, let's talk about making money. AI Live School Builder lets you charge students through one-time payments. Sell a course for $99, $199 or more. Or monthly subscriptions. Charge $29 a month for unlimited AI coaching. Even certification fees. Offer premium AI-generated certificates for students. To start accepting payments, go to Payment Settings, connect your PayPal or Stripe account, and set your pricing. Boom! Now, your school is ready to generate income 24/7 even while you sleep. Step 5. Launch and start enrolling students. Your AI-powered school is now live. All you have to do is share your school link on social media, YouTube, or your website, and start enrolling students. And the best part? AI handles everything, teaching, answering student questions, grading quizzes, while you focus on growing your business. This is how you build an AI-powered school in just minutes. No coding, no hiring, no stress. So, how do you actually make money from this? Sell AI-powered courses. Charge students $50 to $500 per course. Offer AI coaching and membership plans. Recurring income, license your AI school to businesses and organizations. Even if you charge just $99 a month and get 100 students, that's $9,900 a month, completely automated. This is a business model that runs itself while you enjoy the profits. AI-powered education is the future. The only question is, will you be the one making money from it? If you want to start today, I've got an exclusive deal for my subscribers. Click the first link in the description to get a special bonus when you sign up. But hurry! AI schools are going mainstream fast. Don't miss this opportunity. Comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI business ideas.